Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing one right here in my hand, and basically what this is some shoes or slippers or clogs. So basically you guys can use this at home, in office, when you guys are going outdoors. However you guys decide to use it, that is up to you guys. But definitely for the product itself, if you guys want to use it for like water activities, you can definitely use it in those scenarios as well. Because for this product in particular, it is waterproof, which is pretty awesome. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So here is the bottom, here is the front, and here is the side, and here is the other side. And then if you guys look at the inside right there, that is basically what it looks like right there. So the product itself, it definitely has a very good support for your feet when you guys actually step on it or use it. So like when you guys feel the material of the actual product itself, it definitely has that rubber material here or special rubber material. But when you guys feel the inside right here, it definitely has a very good support as well. So you can see for the product itself, it actually looks really nice and it feels really nice as well. The material that they use on here is like a special rubber material. And you can see throughout the product itself, it has holes like right here, and also on the side as well. So that way the actual slipper itself or the clog itself is breathable. And if I use it for water sports, the water can just leak out really easily, which is pretty awesome. And we also at the bottom right here, it definitely has a very interesting design where you can kind of get a good grip to it when you guys actually use it. The overall product itself definitely feels pretty lightweight when you guys actually feel it. And we see right here, they actually have this option right here that you can actually pull it out. And basically what this is for is so that way you can actually get a much more secure fit when you guys actually put it on. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second when I actually put it on. And for this product, they actually have it in a lot of different colors. So you definitely go do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. But the one that we got right here is like a blue or navy blue color. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like and explain how it feels. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it on the ground. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. So when you guys actually put it on, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely has that very nice comfort and support for your feet. But let me actually walk around to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so that's basically what the product looks like if you guys want to use that option right there. Then actually take it off and show you guys the other option. So the other option would be go like this. We guys put this down, this one as well. And this time when you guys put it on, it gets a much more secure fit because it has this other option right here. And even using this option right here is not uncomfortable. It's actually really comfortable. So let me actually put it on to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. So you can see on the bottom part right here, it has that security right here to hold it in. So it makes it much more tighter or more secure and more fit. So let me actually walk around and show you what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. This way it definitely gives you guys a much more secure fit when you guys actually put it on compared to without it. But if you guys don't wear it, actually it's much more comfortable. So like I mentioned, for the product itself, it is waterproof. So if you guys want to use this for like water sports or whatever, you definitely can as well. That way all the water can leak out from right here or from the top as well, and none of the water can stay inside. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself. You can definitely see it actually works pretty well. It's definitely a lot more comfortable than any kind of like sandals or shoe that you can wear. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did the unboxing and testing of the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like what I mentioned earlier, if you guys are planning to actually use it for like water activity, or if you guys want to wear at home like a little slipper, then these are actually really worth it in those scenarios because of how comfortable and how much support it actually gives you on the actual shoe itself. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.